Hey guys, today I will be showing you guys how to make Haitian Epis. Haitian Epis is a form of marinade that we use, more like a base marinade that we use to season our meat. We use it in our rice and almost everything that we pretty much cook. It's more like the Spanish version of sofrito, but as it's Epis, we use a lot more spices. Over here I have some garlic, some peeled garlic. I have green onions. I have 3 bell peppers, but I will only be using half of each. I have half cup of oil. I have clove powder. If you don't have clove powder, you can always use the whole cloves and while you blend it. And I have leeks. I have fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic cube. I have 2 hot peppers. I have some thyme, onions, and what else? Yes, that's all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these into little pieces before I blend it, and I will come back to show you guys the finished product, okay? Okay guys, this is what it looks like after I finish cutting everything, and now I am ready to blend everything. And I'm going to use some oil and a little bit of water And I'm also going to use some clove powder. You can also use the whole one if you have that. Yeah. This is my Epis, and now I'm going to pour it into a container so I can, okay. Okay guys, this is how I make my Epis, and it smells really good. And another tips, you guys can put it in your in the freezer to preserve it, but what you will want to do, what you will need to do each time you want to use a little portion to cook your food, you might need to smash a few cloves or garlic to revive the taste, because after being in the freezer for a while, the taste is not the same. But if you smash this, you know, just a few cloves of garlic, it can revive the taste before you season your meat with it. Okay, and that is all for today guys, and I'm going to store this in the freezer, and this can last me up to, let's see, a month plus, because this is a lot and I don't use too much Epis, so this will last me a very long time. Okay, so if you guys like the video, you guys can give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, you can share, and if you guys would like to request any videos, don't hesitate to send me an email. Follow me on social media at melhoneybee90. Okay, thank you guys for watching.